They got one to go 197 down the Molson Straight.
No, that's why it's called Long Yan.
Dragon's Eye.
In this episode of Fantastic Adventures USA, Vinny Van Gogh takes us further up the Pacific Coast Highway for springtime in Portland, Oregon.
It's a stop we've especially been looking forward to because our son Nels and his partner Rachel lived there.
It was nice to not have to search for a stealthy place to park Vinny. We were able to sleep in the van in the parking lot of their apartment complex. And boy, did they do a great job showing us around. What in the world? That's butter? This girl is on fire.
Down the highway, never let go. So we drive to the show and we shout, you don't know how it flows. So good to feel the rush again. And it's never coming down, we're invincible.
There is a heat. We like the heat in here. How do you pronounce that?
What, in Chinese?
Yeah.
机器人.
Which means?
It means, well, it means robot, but literally it's machine person.
Machine person.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job, that machine person.
Crazy dogs. So many dogs. So many puppies. So many puppies. Are you fighting over that? You both want that toy? You both want that. Oh, now here comes the third one.
We're eating goose tonight.
Sure are. Beautiful.
Already looks good.
Oh, thank you guys.
Oh, I mean, must be by now. They've been in there a long time. This is the closest thing we have to a TV down here.
I may be biased, but I think they're the cutest couple.
We need to flip it.
Is that too heavy for you?
No, it's okay. Where's the second one?
I can do the bird and you can hold the bowl.
Yeah, that's the bird.
Splash it a little.
Okay, thank you so much. I
Yeah.
also have it. We can drop it for now.
Okay.
Because I need to flip it.
The goose has been cooked. Pretty. Nice job, Rachel.
Even just eating with them was an adventure.
What are these called? Nels?
Longan, or Logan.
Longan?
I don't know, you call them.
Chinese called Long Yan.
Longyan. Yeah, that's the actual
Or
Chinese.
Gui Yuan. Yeah, or Gui Yuan.
Okay, so here's how you, it's like it's almost like an orange. You peel it like an orange. I didn't do it right. You're supposed to squeeze it? How do you squeeze it? And
Yeah, you break it.
Sure, let
So-
her show.
I'm trying.
Let me demonstrate.
Yeah.
Here.
You crack it open.
Open one side.
Squeeze it out the other side. And then you spit out the seed like a
I got mine.
cherry pit.
Even though it looks like an eyeball.
No, that's why it's called Long Yan. Dragon's eyes.
Dragon's eyes.
Oh yeah. Well, they're good.
Yeah.
It's like a grape and watermelon.
Easier.
Yeah. I think it
Mixture
tastes like
up.
a really sweet radish a little bit.
Weird
Might help.
and good. So that's Mount St. Helens there.
And that's Mount Hood in front of us.
Nels and Rachel took us to the Columbia River Gorge National Scenic Area. It's a spectacular river canyon cutting through the Cascade Mountain Range along the border of Oregon and Washington.
It's a big old world. So what did I miss? Crazy. Oregon bliss.
And we ran into some pretty interesting people along the way.
Built after a 1965 Cobra Daytona coupe. They raced these back in the 60s.
Yeah.
Designed the body. If you get back off that way and look at it from the side, it looks like a 250 GTO Ferrari.
There's that movie that just came out a couple years ago that this reminds me of.
Oh, Ford versus Ferrari.
Till the morning, that old music gets me going. Say, hey, I'm gonna rock it tonight.
Only 6 of these made.
Six of these?
Huh?
There's only 6 of these made?
Only 6, yeah. They were sold pennies on the dollar. So when they switched these bodies, this car went faster. This was the first car to beat Ferrari at Reims, France in 1964.
Really?
Yeah, 65. Yeah, first car to beat Ferrari. These things were incredibly fast. They got one to go 197 down the Molson Strait.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Almost 200.
Yeah,
wow.
Yeah, they're very fast. So I did the car to look just like the race car, outside and in. So I had it built to be like, it's fully caged, and it's all set up.
That is crazy, man.
The horse.
The Columbia River Gorge stretches over 80 miles with its dramatic cliffs and massive concentration of waterfalls.
Hi, humidity's low.
Oh my Lord, isn't that something? I'm so grateful to be able to have moments like these with Dickie and Nels and Rachel. And we just went for a 1 mile hike up this mountain to the top, well, hill, but felt like a mountain, and then down again. And It is just a blessing to be here. Okay, here's the surprise.
Yellow water.
It's a yellow watermelon.
Oh.
Just eating.
Oh, all right. Yummy.
Does it taste like pink watermelon?
Yeah, it tastes like watermelon.
Cool.
So much fun. Good.
Stella wants some too.
Stella wants to taste everything.
So what did you make?
Korean barbecue.
Ooh. Yum, look at all of that. Wow.
Ooh, that's a mushroom. That mushroom is really good.
Yep.
What kind of mushrooms are these?
Oh, kiwi.
You only have to marinate it if it's not good meat.
Exactly.
I agree with you.
And if you like to add a certain flavor or sauce, you can always just add it as a sauce after.
Paper planes fly me to outer space. That's where I'll see your face and have you with me.
Beautimous.
It may seem dark, but you always light my spark in my heart since the start.
We found the Portland vibe to be very chill and unpretentious. It's a progressive, artsy culture, collaborative rather than competitive.
Paper planes were always made for you. I'll fly to space just to get to you. I just wanted to let you know. I'm so glad that I'll have you with me. With you I feel like I'm dreaming, but I'm awake, I'm not here sleeping. By my side you give good company. Left and right, I'll keep you safe. When I'm with you, I won't hesitate. Now you got me folding paper planes, so we can fly to outer space.
And a paradise for foodies, musicians,
On the road, I've been away for far
and
too
coffee
long,
lovers.
but now I'm on my way back home.
We went to this restaurant called The Fireside, where we met an amazing waitress named Trinity Jane. She turns out to be a musician, a very talented musician at that.
Time after time, lightning bolt strikes the sky, and I blink and mess everything up. I don't remember when we decided to go up, to go up.
Something else we learned here, that Rachel has a wicked forehand in ping pong. But Vicky, not so much.
Hey everybody. This is a familiar sight, I'm sure.
Anytime I'm wearing my helmet, you know what I'm up to. Out on a bike trail with Vicky, and this time with Nels and Rachel. Yeah, we're biking along the Willamette River. There's a really nice bike trail on both sides of the river. We rode right down from their apartment, and it's really easily accessible, and it's just beautiful. There's a lot of waterways all along the way here. Willamette River, we went up one side, and now we're coming down another. It's just beautiful. So yeah, we're really glad we did this. And boy, we sure are glad we have these e-bikes along with us on this trip.
Tune back in, we take a spin down the highway.
One of the things we wanted to do on this trip was to get out and spend more time with Rachel and Nels, and we are. But it's funny how even though Vicky and I have electric bikes and pedal assist, the two young'uns are still way ahead without any assist. But that's all good because we're having a great time getting some fresh air, sunshine, and exercise with our family. So we're just sitting here next to the Willamette River. No big deal. Just biking with our son and his girlfriend over there. The stuff we were dreaming about, the stuff we've been dreaming about when we started planning this whole trip, is to be able to just have moments like this on a weekday, and I'm not working.
It's interesting.
Just wanted to let you know. I'm so glad that I'll have you with me. With you I feel like I'm dreaming, but I'm awake, I'm not here sleeping. By my side you give good company. Left and right, I'll keep you safe. When I'm with you, I won't hesitate. Now you got me for the big planes, so we can fly to outer space.
swaying as it passes the tower. Please watch your balance.
Look how steep it looks from here.
Thank you for riding the Portland Aerial Tram. As you exit, look both ways before crossing the tracks.
What is it?
Snug.
A snug?
Ah, you killed it. It's not moving anymore.
Oh, he's moving. I just touched him. What?
No, it's not moving anymore. Look, it's dead.
No.
Oh no, it's not.
Snugs don't move very fast.
Yeah.
It's like escargot. It's like a snail.
Escargot.
We should eat him.
Ugh, no.
A little butter, saute him, a little butter and lemon.
Gross.
Snugs are delicious that way.
Gross.
Oh, we had such fun hanging out with those two in Portland. If you enjoyed coming along with us, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And click on the little bell icon to be notified when we post our next episode, when Nels and Rachel are our tour guides to explore Seattle. See you next time.
Happy trails!